Right, we've come to the Greek theatre, amphitheater. There's a lot of other things to see, not just the amphitheater.
Dionysius here? Would you say Dionysius here? Okay.
Dionysius,
That
yeah.
is a artificial cave.
Yes.
And yeah.
We'll just show you
Is it
around.
artificial or natural?
No,
it's
it's
artificial.
they dug down.
Oh, okay.
We watched a documentary yesterday.
Yeah, I'm not that.
You were at work, so yeah. We'll show you around. Hello. That's it. As an adult, you will pay £16, €16.90, and that is without the guided tour. I think obviously a little bit extra with the guided tour. Damiano only paid €9.95 because he's a student. Basta?
See?
This is called Paradise Stone Quarry. In ancient times, this quarry was a place of work and a prison for slaves. Nowadays, it's a beautiful garden with Mediterranean and exotic plants.
Okay, translate. Grotta dei Corderi is said in English. Grotta dei Corderi.
Thank you very much for that. So, just a little bit of advice. This is the beginning of April, and it's extremely hot for obviously people
It's
who are
starting
not
to
used
get
to
hot, yeah.
starting to get quite hot. We're already sweating, so I wouldn't advise you come here in June, end of June, July and August. Completely forget about it because it is too hot to be walking here.
It's damn hot.
It's damn hot. So yeah, this is the best time to come. I think they're preparing for the
summer, obviously.
for the
So
summer
there'll be
shows.
They do concerts and whatever here.
Yeah, they do tragedies and plays and things.
Yeah, of course.
So I think this is what it's all about. Okay, let's go down.
The rope maker's cave, or La Grotta dei Cordari, was called this because of the craftsmen that worked here for centuries.
The immense scale of it is incredible.
Another interesting thing to see. Come look here close, Maria. The way they actually dug these out with some kind of instrument, and it's all done in certain sections. So
They said was in this documentary yesterday that it was done from up downwards.
yeah,
And
they
if-
start at the top
Yeah,
and
you
get
start
down
at
to
the
the bottom.
top, and they dug all the way down.
And you can see it's done all in sections.
Yeah,
It's pretty interesting.
very interesting. It's nice and cool in here, actually.
Wow, look at the roof. The roof. Obviously, the stone's giving off that color over the years, and it's sort of the humidity comes through.
Yeah. Look at that pigeon. Is that a pigeon over there? No.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a pigeon. Look. Oh.
It's an antique pigeon.
The watch guard.
Auntie. Yeah, he's the god. Incredible. Incredible. Look at the
view there.
scale of this. What? No.
It's massive.
You guys
Can
have
you-
to
can you
come
come
and
back
see.
here? I
You
wanna
have
show you
to come
something.
and see this place. It's incredible. Incredible.
It's amazingly just so massive.
Incredible, hey?
What was that goddess's name?
Nike.
Nike. Nike with a nice set of wings, and if you don't own wings, you'll never fly.
Yeah. Well, okay, great. Thanks, Massi, for your input.
You're welcome.
Because
You want a
everything's.
Greek tangerine?
Do you want a Greek tangerine, mandarin, whatever,
With those
orange?
oranges.
Orange. It's beautiful. Yeah, nature has taken over, obviously, which I love.
Locusts.
Hey, the locusts are in season, or in Italian, nespole. Our neighbours got 2 huge trees, which we love to have a little taste, and he's all right with that, actually. So this is seeing it from the side.
So the water
Yeah.
that you see over there is because they've dug so far down that they got to the water table. So the water seeps through,
Wow.
and that's what made
But I
that
saw
kind
it
of...
dripping also from the cave.
Yeah,
in.
because it's all in the water table. So we're not in the higher part of Siracusa, this is the lower part. Probably be written in English.
We have to try the acoustic.
Yeah, we have to. Some people sing in here. Massi, with your voice, the whole bloody thing will collapse, mate.
Oh, okay. If you really think so.
Dionysius' ear, the most famous cave, is tall 23 meters and deep about 60 meters. Its name derives from the shape of a human ear. A famous story told from the painter Caravaggio during his Sicilian period remembers the great tyrant Dionysius, who used this cave as a prison for his enemies and was easy to eavesdrop due to its particular shape, which helped expand the voices.
Okay, see the hole at the top there? Can you
Yeah.
imagine singing from that hole up at the top there? It would probably reverb all around.
Dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù.
The more you come in here, the sound changes.
Yeah, it does. It's weird, eh? It's like not echoey,
No.
because we're in a type of a
So it's not reverbing, basically.
niche, big niche here.
Yeah. Meow. Meow. I'd love to be a bird and race around the corner.
Damiano, did you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's incredible, isn't it?
It's something I wouldn't expect to see. Like, wow.
It is incredible. Look at that. Thank you, Mr. Dionisio Tyron the First. It's all your fault.
Bit of a nutter.
Uguale.
So this is Chinese bamboo. So Damiano, what did you say about this bamboo?
That bamboo is a kind of grass that is a bit infested.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's not something that you would expect. Like
Maria, what do you think?
I love it. I want some.
You want some? Oh,
want
you
some in our
can't be getting
garden.
some. I know you like to get all your plants and everything around, but that's not happening.
Do you think
today,
they'll
I'm
notice if I take one?
sorry. I think so, yes.
Yeah, I think so too. Going towards the Greek theatre now. Be prepared. Whew. Be prepared to walk quite a bit. So put on your comfy shoes. Maybe dress in layers. So if you do feel hot, obviously you can take the jacket off. Bring a bottle of water. There is a bar here, but it's quite far from where we are, so I would suggest you bring a bottle of water. We've bought some fruit, so we're going to stop in a bit and have a bit of a snack.
So Maria, out of all the necropolis that we've been to,
Yeah,
this is the one
best.
that describes mostly what they use them for. So in each of these coffin-like tomb things,
Niches.
niches,
Yeah.
yeah, what you'd call it, that's where obviously they put their bodies.
Yeah.
Certain people.
Yeah, that's what a necropolis is.
And
It's a burial place.
so yeah, there's
Incredible, hey, guys?
yeah,
Yeah.
Look.
a lot of spirits would be in this. Ooh. So this would be the main where they got the water coming from the aqueducts. It's come down here, as you can see, they've dug it really precisely. You look at the really dug well out.
Yeah. So fresh.
It's fresh water.
Incredible. It's another big niche with an altar, probably. Yeah.
Hello. You got some nuts for us?
What am I, monkey or what?
No, we want to buy them to eat them. You monkey.
Top of the theatre.
It's a bit unfortunate that is.
Yeah, that they've got the scaffolding and they're
They're
preparing.
preparing for concerts.
They are preparing for the concerts.
Summer, there's always concerts here.
Yeah. But the view is incredible. And look, you can see the sea.
Wow.
Didn't you realize that?
No, I was watching
Ah, look at the sea. It's beautiful.
Bovicinare. It's
Damiano,
Bovicinare.
we're in the zone of Epipoli. Remember we were talking about the areas.
Epipoli.
The Greek theatre was built between the 5th and the 3rd century BC. It could probably hold about 12,000 to 14,000 spectators. Between the months of May and June, they have classical tragedies, which are held every afternoon.
Does look like water channels, yeah.
It does look like a bit of an aqueduct, doesn't it?
Been
In
done
the beginning, I'm not
specifically
sure.
to channel something.
We're just guessing, guys. It's nice to guess and then look up and say, oh yeah, we were wrong.
Maria, this is, you know what this is? This
More
is the entrance,
papers.
look. We've come to the entrance. You know when
Yes.
you came up, we came around to the
Yeah,
road
when
on
we
the
came
other
at the
side.
top.
This is the actual entrance into here.
They were talking about this on the documentary, hey? Damiano, do you remember? That they had statues here.
Yeah, it's
In
always-
here, each niche had a huge statue to each
Wow.
god that they believed in, obviously. Can't go any further, which is a shame.
You know what I could do? I could see myself coming down here, dressed in my armor on my beautiful white horse,
Yes,
galloping
yes.
down.
I don't see those.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
see you being a slave instead.
Oh, okay.
So, Massi, this is when we need the drone, because we could just fly our drone here and get arrested.
We'd drone it, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
And I'm galloping down on my horse. Coming down, galloping down. Come out into the open. That's me, yeah.
So this is the road that we took you down in one of our last videos where we discovered the Galermi Aqueduct. In fact, it
The aqueducts
is
run along it,
all
yeah.
the way down there, zigzagging down. Yeah. Ah, Damiano, you've got the lunch. More lunch, snack, whatever.
Give me one.
C'ho il coltello, eh.
No, mai ho iniziato.
You do know that you have to prepare dinner tonight, yeah?
Oh dear. I don't know how to cook.
Yeah, right. Nice one. Try again.
But you can see the wings are
Armor,
on.
yeah, they put on with the armor on, yeah.
Yeah,
with the
so
straps.
it's not a real wings. articles.
So what do you think of the day so far?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Definitely worth coming. Hey,
Yeah.
Damiano.
Yeah, I love this.
Yeah.
I wouldn't like love to go. How do you say, in the theater?
Yeah, inside the theater.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, they're preparing.
but it's still beautiful, even
Yeah.
from side. Yeah.
Here you see the ruins of Hieron, the largest Greek stone altar. It was dedicated to Zeus, and it's about 200 meters long, and apparently 450 bulls were sacrificed here for some festival.
Damiano, how do you feel walking into the Roman Amphitheater?
It's not
At
something
home!
I'm not.
But you're not in Rome, though.
He feels at home.
Makes you feel at home, doesn't it?
No, it's not like at home because when you go like to the Colosseum, you have all the people around that want to sell you stuff, and
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very much, it's much
The
calmer.
gladiators that want you to take a photo of them. Look at this tree. Wow,
Crazy.
it's going down.
yeah,
It's not going to be lasting too long, is it?
down.
Slowly going down. And there's another one here as well. And another one.
Because the gladiator in the amphitheater fights and
Yeah.
they move a lot,
There
so
was-
you don't need
You need to have a circle instead of half a circle.
yeah, you don't need a only place, because if it's like a theater show,
Exactly.
okay, you have to stay in
In
front
all,
of it.
all sides of it, yeah.
And in a gladiator fight, you don't need to stay in front of it, but
Yeah, they
you
don't.
can
They don't
stay-
need
Have
to
it
face
all round,
you.
yeah.
They-
The Roman amphitheater was obviously built during the Roman domination, so compared to the rest of the things here, it was the most recent. So what we did was we started at the quarries and then ended the tour here. Here they had bloody fights between gladiators and gladiators and gladiators and wild animals. At the center of the amphitheater is a rectangular basin, a type of trap door that served as a support for the shows.
Per forza devono essere tipo tombe, secondo me, perché guarda, perché coprire una cosa se no
no,
per...
sicuramente.
Probably a tomb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Probably tied people to the
Obviously,
tomb.
and they would look here. The
It's connected.
Yeah.
There's a hole.
two holes here,
Yeah.
two holes. So they obviously they'd put rope or something in here, or to lift it up. Imagine trying to lift this up
Well,
with
put enough
rope.
people behind it, you get it up. With a pulley system.
Yeah. Look at this. These are made of marble.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's marble stone, yeah.
Yeah, you can see from
Absolutely.
here as well.
That's the end of our day.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on the way out.
Yeah. How long did it take us?
We got here at 11:30.
Yeah.
It is now almost 1:30.
So yeah.
The parking's almost over. So yeah.
And we fast, so it would probably take, you know,
A good 3 hours.
3
You would
hours.
see a lot. You would
Definitely.
see more than you want to,
Yeah.
probably.
Okay, so now Massi's just trying to sort out these bamboo sticks. So for two main reasons, as I said last time, one, because I want to plant some runner beans and I want them to grow up here and over, and it'll be easier for me to pick them. And two, because we've got chickens running all over the place and cats that like to come in and do their bit in this veggie patch. So we're going to put some netting around and it'll hopefully help them not come in. It'll prevent them coming in. So that's the main reason.
And finally, my son has come to help out. Yay! So he's finishing off the wall. They doing all the electricity. So I'm going to leave them to it. I'll give you an update later on. This is just the beginning of the day.
Perché tu lo puoi murare.
Questo qua.
Two Italians.
Dove viene? Da qua sotto?
Sì.
Working is
Ma questo è esterno.
very
Non ti
comfortable.
preoccupare perché quello poi dovrebbe fare un'osservazione.
C'è qua.
Cos'è questo?
Guarda la mia testa.
Oh my gosh!
Guarda, me lo posso portare uno a mia madre?
Certo, anche due!
Allora questi qua.
They're huge! Look at this one!
Questi qua. Oh.
Wow!
Questi sono belli che...
Oh, guarda questo. Guarda.
Non lo toccare.
Huge.
La prossima volta.
Rosie, fai vedere? Wow! What are you eating, Rosie? Look at the big lemon that she's eating. She just eats the skin. Wow, that's fantastic.
Guarda, nonna.
È più grande della tua testa. It's bigger than your head.
Thank you for joining us again. I'm going to leave you with a few scenes that I took earlier on this week of Ortigia. Bye bye.